Kacau, boleh draw something tak? Okay, cover. Bolehkah draw something?
Can.
Are you good at drawing?
Yeah, I'm good at drawing.
Really?
Yes.
You start ready?
Okay.
Okay. So, apakah you drawing?
I'm drawing a cat.
Okay. Nice. Okay, so you memang peminat kucing.
Yeah.
Okay. I nak tunjuk you, this is a new Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Plus. Dia akan turn your sketches into images. You nak tengok tak?
Nak.
This is, you ada cat tak dekat rumah?
Ada.
Nama dia apa?
Nama dia Mike.
Mart.
Yes.
M-A-T.
M-A-T.
M-A-T. So you tekan generate je, dia akan turn your sketches into 3D.
Oh, yes, my cat is this colour.
Really? Berapa kucing dekat rumah?
So you teka?
Satu.
Salah.
Berapa?
9.
9. What do you think of this feature?
Very amazing.
Yeah.
Very modern technology.
Yeah. So sebenarnya apa yang you lukis dia akan beli. Tapi you sudah lukis kucing kan? So apa kata pengen belanja pet food for all your kucing? Can ah?
Okay, can, sure.
Jika ada satu chance lagi, you akan draw apa?
Smartphone.
Apa brand?
Samsung.
Let's go. Let's go shopping.
I can take as many as I want, right?
Betul.
Everything in this shop.
Yes.
Yay!
Perasaan hari ini dapat.
Sangat happy. And my cats will also be happy. Thank you, Pinya.
Guys, jangan lupa dapatkan Samsung Tab S10 Plus dekat Samsung Store berhampiran anda.